Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video, and in today's video I'll show you how you can create an account for Craigslist. So to do that, first of all you have to write Craigslist in your search bar, craigslist.com, and enter, and your home page will be look somewhat like this. So we have to simply tap on the my account, which is on the left side of the screen, and you have to click on that. So you have two different options. You can either log into your or create an account. So if you do not have an account, you can simply create one by putting your email address. And on here that says create an account, click that as well. And once you've entered your email address, after that they will send a link to activate your account on your email. So simply go to your Gmail or any other email service provided you have entered. Go to the Gmail and open the mail sent by Craigslist. And after that, click on the option that says complete account sign up. And now here we have to create a new password for your Craigslist account over here. Or if you want, you can go passwordless just by clicking right here. But creating a password is always safe for your account, so we'll simply create a new password for our Craigslist account. So and now once you have typed or created a new password for your Craigslist account, and click on the section that says set password. And now you will see that you have successfully set and enforced it for your account, and now you have to log in using your new password to successfully create an account, successfully log into an account. So that one option that says continue to your account, now click on that action. So that is basically how you can create an account on Craigslist or sign up for Craigslist. That was it guys. I hope this video was helpful, and make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out further videos.